Hey everyone, ever wondered how people are landing amazing jobs as data analysts, working with big companies, making data-driven decisions, and yes, making pretty great money? Well, today I'm breaking down the step-by-step roadmap to becoming a data analyst in 2025 with real tools, real-time insights, and a lot of motivation for beginners who are just starting out. Hit that like button and let's get into it. So first, what even is data analyst? A data analyst is someone who collects, cleans, and interprets data to help businesses make smarter decisions. They answer questions like why did sales drop last month? Which product is performing best? How can we predict customers' churn? Here's a fun fact. According to LinkedIn jobs, data analyst roles are among the top 10 most in demand jobs globally right now. Let's break down the core skills you need. And don't worry, no computer science degree required. First, Excel, still a must. Learn VLOOKUP, pivot tables, conditional formatting. Second, Python or R. Python is easier for beginners. Start with Pandas, NumPy, or Matplotlib. Third, SQL. 80% of data jobs require SQL. It's like Google for databases. Fourth, data visualization. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, or even Python's Seaborn or Matplotlib. Next, soft skill. Communication is key. You'll be explaining insights to non-technical people. Let me save you thousands in bootcamps. You can learn this for free or super cheap. Here is the list of some free platforms that you can go to. For low-cost platform, you can switch to Udemy and Coursera. Here's a pro tip. Practice on Kaggle.com. Real-world data sets and mini competitions for beginners. Here's the fun part. Once you have learned the basics, build something. Here are some project ideas. Analyze YouTube trending videos from Kaggle, visualize COVID-19 data, or explore your Spotify listening history. Post it on GitHub, create a blog of Medium, or even better, record your project's walkthrough on YouTube. You don't need a fancy job title. What you need is proof that you can solve problems with data. Here are a few portfolio tips. Have 3 to 5 well-documented projects. Link your GitHub, Tableau Public, or Kaggle profiles. Some resume tips. Highlight tools and real use cases. Use action verbs like analyzed, visualized, automated. You are ready. Now where do you find those jobs? Here are some platforms listed. LinkedIn, Set Alerts. Glassdoor, Intershala for students. AngelList for startups. Here's a pro tip. Don't wait until you're perfect. Apply while learning. Some junior roles don't even require Python. Let's talk numbers. In India, entry-level data analysts make somewhere between 4 to 7 LPA. And in US, it's $65,000 to $90,000 and it only grows with time. According to Glassdoor, over 65,000 data analyst roles were posted in the last 3 months in India alone. Here's what your next 30 days should look like. Week 1 to 2, practice your Excel and SQL basics. Set up your GitHub profile. In week 3, learn your Python basics. Start with mini projects. Week 4, complete one Kaggle challenge. Post your project on LinkedIn. You don't need to be a math genius or a coding expert. All you need is curiosity and consistency. Becoming a data analyst in 2025 is absolutely doable, and you can start today. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment what projects you are starting with. Until next time, keep learning, keep analyzing, and keep growing.